Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is Swadeshi or Videshi. Ladies and gentlemen, we often think that whether we should purchase the goods that are manufactured in India by Indian organizations or we should purchase something that is of more better quality and that is made by some foreign organization. This fight of Swadeshi and Videshi is very extreme nowadays. So how to decide that whether we should purchase something Swadeshi or Videshi, something indigenous or something imported, ladies and gentlemen. Now the point here is, what is our basic need? There are certain things that we require on daily basis. There are certain human needs which we must try to fulfill. But what type of products are available in market to fulfill our needs, and whether those products are manufactured by Indian organizations or some foreign organization, that is the point. If the things that we desire, most of those things, if they are manufactured by a foreign organization, it becomes a compulsion to purchase those products. And by purchasing those products, we are only fulfilling our requirements. We are not degrading the respect of our own country. If some substitute of it is available that is manufactured by Indian organization, definitely every Indian would love to buy that India manufactured product. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, people purchase things according to their basic needs and requirements, their family needs and requirements. That is the priority while deciding that what type of product should be purchased. Whether it is foreign made or Indian made, that is always a second priority for the person who is purchasing the product. For the common man, the priority is his personal needs and requirements. Whether it is Swadeshi or Videshi, that is always secondary, because people need to fulfill their requirement first. Now, if you want to promote Swadeshi, ladies and gentlemen, you need to do one thing. We need to open up large number of indigenous manufacturing organizations. If the manufacturing organizations which are manufacturing large number of products, they are Indian organizations, what will happen? Indian market will be full of large number of India made products. And when Indian market is full of large number of India made products, definitely the sale of India made products will be more. So what is the right way of enhancing the sale of India made products? Try to develop manufacturing units of different types of products right here in India. You will not require to import something from foreign country. If large number of manufacturing units related to every type of consumer goods is available in India and they are indigenous Indian industries, you will not require to import those things from foreign nations. And if something is India made, the value of Indian rupee is also going to increase. Our financial strength is also going to increase. So, ladies and gentlemen, instead of discarding the products that are made in foreign countries, try to develop India-made products. Large number of people should come into manufacturing unit. Large number of Indian people should come into the field of manufacturing. They must become manufacturers of the things which are desired by common people. If something is getting manufactured right here in India, why people will buy the similar kind of product at a higher cost from some foreign country? People will definitely purchase something that is available in Indian market. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, instead of hating foreign goods, try to develop something that is indigenous. And please don't hate foreign goods, because there are many such things which you are using that are made by foreign nations, and those things, they are still not available in India because there is no proper Indian manufacturing unit of that. If there is no proper Indian manufacturing unit of that, we will not get any India-made product related to that. And we will remain dependent upon foreign products. And why we will remain dependent on foreign products? Because by consistently using that product since last many years, we have become habitual of using that product. And just because we have become habitual, it is very difficult to leave that product right now, ladies and gentlemen. Try to understand this fact. Since by using the same kind of foreign made products, we have become habitual of it, because we have been using that product since last 15 to 16 years. That's why suddenly leaving that product, that is not possible, that is absolutely not possible. So please don't leave those products, those foreign made products that you are using right now, but try to think in this direction that Indian manufacturing units must be developed. Indian indigenous manufacturing units must be developed. That is the need of the hour. You increase the indigenous manufacturing units, indigenous Indian manufacturing units, it will provide large number of job opportunities to the jobless people of the country. So it is a dual benefit. We will get Indian products, plus we will provide large number of job opportunities to unemployed youth of the country. Always remember this, ladies and gentlemen. The only solution in the direction of becoming Swadeshi is developing indigenous industries in India. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.